Welcome back to my channel Body Fit and Health Cure. If you are suffering with the issue of stamina and not lasting longer in bed, then don't worry, I will tell you a natural way to boost your erection and stay longer in bed to satisfy your partner and enjoy the moment at its best. Here is a tested natural remedy used for centuries in African countries for enhancing stamina and timing. For this you only need the products which are easily available in your kitchen, and this recipe is very easy to make, for which you only need 1. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which can improve blood circulation by dilating blood vessels. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps combat fatigue and help in lowering cortisol levels, the hormone directly linked with the stress and also in the production of testosterone. 3. Coffee. Coffee has caffeine, which acts as a stimulant, increasing alertness and blood flow. This could potentially contribute to improved erectile function. 4. Honey. Honey has antioxidants and energy-providing sugars. Its direct impact on sexual function are proven. 5. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps and increases blood flow and enhances sexual arousal as well as libido. Studies have also shown that ginger is also helpful in lowering the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 6. Hot water. Before we move towards making of this recipe, here is a soft reminder for you. I hope so you will enjoy our content, and don't forget to share and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos in time. Here is a method to prepare this recipe for lasting longer and roar like a lion in the bed. Take 1-inch slice of ginger and grate it with the help of grater, and take 2 cloves of garlic peel and grate them, then add half tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and add 1 tablespoon of coffee in a cup, then add 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it, then adds 1 cup of hot water in this mixture and cover with the lid, rest for 5 minutes and then consume it half hour before having sex and roar like a king and last longer than you expected. Thanks for watching.